Hello everyone and welcome to the online lecture series by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Science and Commerce. Myself Jayesh Rajgor and today we are going to study Economics of Standard 12th, chapter number 2, Utility Analysis. My dear students, in the previous video lecture we studied about the law of diminishing marginal utility and its assumptions. In today's video, we will try and understand the exceptions of law of DMU, that is diminishing marginal utility. Yes, my dear students, Alfred Marshall stated that marginal utility of every commodity diminishes. It diminishes with every increase in the stock of the thing which the consumer already has. On consistent consumption of a particular commodity, the marginal utility keeps on diminishing. It becomes zero when the satisfaction level is highest, and then further consumption leads to negative utility, that is disutility. So let us today see the exceptions of law of DMU. Yes, my dear students. The law states that other things remaining constant, the additional benefit which a person derives from a given increase in his stock of a thing diminishes with every increase in the stock that he already has. The takeaways are additional benefit which a person derives diminishes with increase in stock. But this particular statement doesn't really experience or cannot be really experienced with every commodity. Somewhere or the other, there are some exceptions, or we can say odd man outs about a particular law. Same goes with Alfred Marshall's law of DMU. Yes, my dear students, in every case or in every circumstance, this law might not prove to be true. Every time, marginal utility of a particular commodity doesn't really fall or diminish, but the law states it should diminish. So, here are some important exceptions which will make us understand that in certain cases the law is not true and cannot be experienced. Following are the exceptions of law of DMU, namely hobbies, miser, money, addictions, power. Yes, my dear students, these are the exceptions or odd mans from the law of DMU. In these cases, the law of diminishing marginal utility will not be experienced. In these cases, marginal utility will not diminish, whereas the law states that marginal utility diminishes with increase in consumption. So let us see how exactly these things stand as exceptions of the law. Hobbies. In certain hobbies like collection of various stamps and coins, rare paintings, music, reading, etc., the law does not hold true because every additional increase in the stock gives more pleasure. Yes, my dear students, hobbies are related to ourselves. Somewhere or the other, they give pleasure to us, and thus they are close to ourselves. Remember, in certain hobbies like collection of stamps, coins, or rare paintings, listening to music, certain things never bore us, and thus marginal utility in certain collections or rare paintings or listening to music or reading never diminishes. This increases, in fact, and thus, however, it violates the assumption of homogeneity and continuity, but the law is not experienced, so hobbies is one of the biggest exceptions of law of DMU. The next exception is miser, a person who always and always strives to save every penny or each penny he has. In the case of a miser, a person who wants to save every additional rupee gives him more and more of satisfaction. He never spends a lot, and thus marginal utility of money tends to increase with an increase in the stock of money. The more and more he saves money, the more and more marginal utility he gets. And thus, miser is also an exception to the law of DMU. However, This situation ignores the assumption of rationality. A miser person sometimes does not behave rationally. His behavior is not normal as he never tries to spend. In fact, he tries to save money, and thus he gets more marginal utility when he saves more money. Moving further, the next is money. Yes, money is also an exception to the law of DMU. It is said that MU of money never becomes zero. It increases when the stock of money increases. Yes, my dear students. In the case of miser itself, we saw that more and more of saved money increases the marginal utility for a miser, because money itself marginal utility never becomes zero. This is because money is a medium of exchange which is used to satisfy various wants. In our day to day life, we use money as a medium of exchange to purchase various things, to buy various things, to sell also. We take money in exchange, and thus, however, according to some economists, this law is applicable to money too. For example, marginal utility of money is more to a poor person than to a rich person. So in this way, money also becomes or stands out as an exception of law of DMU. The next one here is addictions. It is observed in case of drunkard that the level of intoxication increases with every additional unit of liquor consumed. Yes, my dear students, addicted people will get more and more of marginal utility as and when they consume the product they are addicted to. And thus, in case of addictions also, marginal utility doesn't diminish, it increases in fact. So, MU received by drunkard may increase. Actually, it is only an illusion. This condition is similar to almost all addictions, whether it is liquor, tobacco, or anything else. Whenever addictions come into place, marginal utility increases rather than diminishing. However, once again, this violates the assumption of rationality as an addict never behaves normally. The last point here is power. This is an exception to the law of because when a person acquires power, his lust for power increases. He wants more and more of it. He wants to dominate more and more. And thus, power is also an exception to the law of DMU. Here, marginal utility doesn't diminish. He desires to have more and more of power. However, this again violates the rationality assumption. So, in this way, my dear students, we conclude the answer called as exception to the law of DMU. These exceptions are only apparent since they violate some or the other assumptions of the law, and hence they are not real exceptions, but somewhere or the other marginal utility doesn't diminish in some cases. These were some of them. In the next video lecture, we will continue with some more interesting answer. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Thank you very much.